Mamzobe uthi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi yena noGabsile basebenze indaba yamaphenti. Nokubonga ukhulelwe, uMabusi ukhulelwe. Iphenti elika nokubonga akusilona elingabambusi. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 6th to the 10th of November 2023 on Monday. After Mamzobe's humiliation, she resorted to desperate measures for revenge. Nomkhosi and Kulegani worked things out one daughter and Difa bond over a stick fight on Tuesday. The line between life, new life and tragic death dangles on a pair of panties. There is a new light at the end of the tunnel for Ndota. As for Nomkhosi, you win some, you lose some on Wednesday. Mamzobe's witchcraft succeeds and the baby dies. Mamzobe pays Mabusi a visit to make sure that her plan worked. Sipamala confront Kulegane about what he did to Nomkhosi on Thursday. Ndota suffers a major setback. Mamzobe cut ties with Gabsile. Nomkhosi gives her life fully to Itempe Lenkosi on Friday. The Kumedes are completely blackslided, blindsided by Mamzobe's latest move when they reach the Pietermaritzburg church grounds. Nomkhosi is over the moon after being baptized. Ndota gets bad news from the academy. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.